Hey, I'm Josh with Vacuums R Us and Sewing 2 out of Colorado, and today I'm going to talk about a really common issue with a particular series of Bissell vacuum cleaners, CleanView Allergen Pet. I'll put a list of the model numbers that this applies to in the comments below. But this is where the handle just flops out, just like that, and it's the result of this little clip, which holds the handle in, breaking. It breaks all the time, very, very common. You can see there's a little clip on this side that holds it on. On this side, my clip is broken off. There's a couple different ways that this particular component will break, but this is the most common way. The fix is super easy. I've got a new part here. They come with the new spring, which is great because a lot of times when the part breaks, the spring gets lost. It kind of falls out. Sometimes you vacuum it up or whatever. So it does come with a new spring. Super easy to install. Again, this handle's just going to flop out, right? We'll get a little bit closer here so you guys can see what's going down. So again, there's my broken one. That tab's broken off, and then here's my new one. Both tabs are good. I'm gonna install the spring real quick. All right, so I've got the spring installed. Goes right on there. All right, and the wand release, where it says wand release, points up, and the spring points towards the machine. You'll see on your machine there's a little divot right here where the spring goes into, and these two little tabs will mount right there. I'm going to go ahead and pinch them in, and it will kind of slide right in there. I'm going to put the spring, I'm going to kind of load the spring in there, and you'll hear it, it'll snap in. There's one side, and there's the other side. Now, I'm going to test it to make sure that my spring, if you don't get it in quite right, your spring won't necessarily go in that hole. And if it's off to the side, then the spring won't engage. In this case, you can see that the spring is engaging. It's popping it back out. So now when I put the wand back in, it stays locked in, release is fine, and we're good to go. Simple, like 5-minute switch, switch out to get that working. I'll put a link in the comments below where you can get the part. It's a hot part. We usually have them. If we don't have them, then you know they're on special order. It might take a week longer, but you'll get it. Just place it where you'll get it in. Super easy fix today.